For this I was born.
Awesome, huh? Spooky. It's gonna lead me to, if you haven't already, please do check me out on Instagram. I update my stories daily.
For this I came into the world.
Good. Okay, we're here at Tractor Supply. Lock this up. Good. I know, baby. You're excited, huh? Good. Start them off by putting them into that SIT. Good. Completely good. So we've been to PetSmart before. If you haven't checked out that video, then do. Good. You like this shit, huh? Alright. Good, good, good. Wanna take it? Good, you can carry it. Good, alright. Good, good, good. That's what you picked out. Looks like a good choice. Good. Good sit. So he did really well there. I'm expecting nothing but good and very good things from him. Heel. So I ordered the food for curbside pickup. Good, good, good. Before I do that, good. I'm going to heel. Good.
I like it out.
Thank you. Good, good, good. We're praying. Good. Good, good, good. Handsome. Good. Good sit, Papa. Beautiful, huh? Doing good. Heel. Good heel. Smells delightful in here. Oh, I just walked by some candles. They got a great selection here at Tractor Supply. See how I'm quick? Now he's very sensitive. His feelings get hurt. Look, about turn. See that? Good. Good. Stay. Good, Loki. Doing really good. Handsome. Heel. Good. Good heel. Good. And I'm okay with him sniffing. I'm gonna pick my battles. There's some things that are not going to be tolerated. Good, good, good. Handsome. Good. Trying to catch him off guard. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Heel. Fantastic. Awesome. Good. Good, good, good. Look at this cute display. And everything's really well priced. Good. Stay. Awesome, huh? Spooky. It's gonna lead me to, if you haven't already, please do check me out on Instagram. I update my stories daily. Power. How beautiful he is. Good. Good, good, good. Awesome, huh? TikTok as well. Good, good, good. So beautiful, dude. And you're doing so well. Oh. Oh. Spooky. Those are like little Frenchies. Good. Good. Stay. Good. Now look, because just in case, I'm gonna step on the leash. That's awesome, huh? Good. Stay. Stay. Cool, huh? Loki. Good. Handsome. Man, he's doing amazing. Good. Handsome, Papa. Here. Alright. Just make this tight one. Go ahead and tell the girl thank you, and I'll be right back in for one further. Thank you. I'm going to be back in for the food. I'm going to put him up first. Okay. Load that. Good. Awesome, huh? Fantastic. Thank you all so much for watching, especially since you stuck around until the very end. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and paw the bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. Yes, if you can comfortably afford dog training, by all means, do reach out. We're in the Houston, Texas area. He's from New Jersey, and it's well worth the pilgrimage. And I tell you, I also offer affordable online consultations, phone, virtual, all that good stuff. They're $30. Well, at the moment, I think they're $20 for the first consultation, and then $50 for a dual consultation where it's 2 parts. I don't fucking remember, 20 or 30. That's a nominal fee. Very affordable, yes. Thank you again so much. My name is ErwinValderramos. I'm the Dog Messiah. I'm the lover of dogs in person. And make no mistake,
For this I was born.
go tell them.
For this I came into the
Stick around and
world.
watch. I'm doing a new thing, specifically with Loki power. So be ye angry and sin not. Don't let the sun go down upon your wrath. Instead, you must be still, commune with your own heart upon your bed, and be silent. And as with all things, when you do it, you must be intense in the doing it. If you are lukewarm, you're told in Scripture, I will spew you out. Be it that ye are either hot or cold, but because thou art lukewarm, I will spew you out. You can't accomplish shit in this world if you're tepid and timid. You must be intense about everything that you want. Set yourself on fire and the world will follow. You are called to dominate the earth. Bless you all. Good. Watching the interactions right now. He wants to play. Good. Watch.